Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about I tell my coworkers I was meal prepping and taking it home. Doordash driver accidentally gives customer Chipotle catering order at work. So it looks like I got another customer hitting the Doordash lottery, and it seems to be staying on theme with Chipotle, and this time it's a whole catering order. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is. Gig workers, customers, restaurants, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A Chipotle customer says their Doordash driver accidentally delivered a catering order from the Mexican fast food chain, and that they were able to keep it. You see, this is already a big win for the customer because they probably only ordered a burrito bowl, and that's it. That's everything. This person then gets a whole catering order so they could have enough burrito bowls for like a couple weeks. And this is actually really cool because catering orders are not stacked orders. So that this is definitely on the fault of the Chipotle, not the Doordash driver. In the video posted to TikTok, user Emily at mhattie14 says that she purchased the burrito bowl for herself while she was at work. Her Doordash driver, however, apparently messed up Emily's request and delivered the bulk order, which contained 15 burritos instead. As of Monday morning, Emily's video had 23,800 views. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Like I said, for Chipotle specifically, this is pretty much on the fault of the restaurant, not the driver. Yes, you can argue that it was on the shelf or something like that, but not catering orders. And not to mention, Chipotle has been withholding those orders behind the counter for a lot of locations as of late. They don't use the shelving system anymore. So if you go in and say, hey, I'm picking up for Emily, and you don't know what's on the order, some cases you'll actually get a Doordash order and it says that they don't know the contents of the order. That's not on the Doordash driver. That's on Chipotle for having to be certain that that's the order that they're supposed to give the driver. You are supposed to check if you got the right name, but if you see Emily K or Emily H and the catering order says Emily K, Emily H, and you get the catering order, you shrug your shoulders, you deliver it. The only thing I'll be a little annoyed at is the person who was supposed to deliver that order is just missed out on a big tip, and the person who probably didn't tip as much because they just got a burrito bowl is probably a little miffed at this point. She was carrying a huge catering box full of burritos and chips and guacamole, Emily says, and Doordash just said that I could keep it. This is the best day of my life. Yo, real talk though, that's literally hitting the Doordash lottery. You pay for one item and you get that item. Well, maybe a variation of that item, plus about 2 weeks worth of food at that point. In a follow-up video, Emily claims that she tried to contact the Doordash driver after they mistakenly delivered the wrong order, but couldn't easily track them down. She also notes that the Doordash support offered her to reorder her original burrito bowl, in addition to letting her keep the bulk order. So let me get this straight. You got the burrito bowl anyway, because you gotta reorder it. Plus you get the catering order. That is so much food. You got so much food out of that. That is easily 2 weeks worth of food just done. That'll save your grocery bill too. That guy from Doordash was just like, thanks for your honesty and hopefully we can get this situated for you. As for the box, you can keep it, she recalls. Emily said that she gave her co-workers the rest of the food, a move which drew praise from several viewers. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good move on a corporate level too, because now you got a lot of co-workers that are on your good side at this point. I don't know if that was actually an issue or even considered a power move in order to try to get promoted, but it's a nice gesture nonetheless. Everyone at work loves you. Read the top liked comment on Emily's initial video. Free lunch always makes the day better, said another viewer. I'm just saying, free lunch is my love language. Free is a great price for me, I'm just saying. Other commenters, however, said that they wouldn't have been as nice as Emily. Many wrote that they'd take all the food for themselves and eat it throughout the week rather than share it with others. others. I mean, that's a good thing too. Again, you got 2 weeks worth of food there, give or take, and you can actually save a lot on your grocery bill with that. I tell my coworkers I was meal prepping and taking it home, one user wrote. I absolutely would not share. Hey, it's a good way to meal prep. In fact, I remember seeing a TikTok specifically talk about this. They would actually order a whole catering order, right? And what they would do is instead of grocery shopping, they would just do that. That's 2 weeks worth of food that they don't have to grocery shop anymore. And it actually costs less than groceries today. I don't know how accurate that is now, but I think it is a solid thing to think about. I take it home, be fed for about 2 weeks, commented another viewer. The way I wouldn't share, a further user added. And who can blame either of them? This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think that stories like this are probably one of the more fun things to see on Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub. You have so many different opportunities with this, between meal prepping, between making a corporate power move if you're doing that, and just being a decent human being. You can actually gain a lot of respect, and not to mention that this cost you nothing at the end of the day. You paid for one burrito bowl, you got the burrito bowl anyway, and you got a whole catering order from Chipotle. Heck, I've contemplated doing the Chipotle catering hack and just doing my grocery shopping that way. Not even for the fact of making a TikTok about it, just to save money. All in all, I think it is pretty awesome that this person ended up getting a whole catering order. Does it suck for whoever was intended to get that order? Yeah, but I'm sure that Chipotle would have remade the order if they had to anyway, or that customer was refunded. One good news I would say is that the DoorDash driver should not be at fault here, assuming that the way it would turn out is like this. DoorDash driver goes in, DoorDash driver goes counter. DoorDash driver says, pick it up for Emily. They hand him a box instead of one of the bags. He didn't know the contents of the order anyway, so he just took the box. He clicked and picked up on the order, delivered it, and he was just moving on throughout his day. This is a pretty solid find, and I'm glad that you actually got the catering order. Sucks for Chipotle and the other customer, but I'm glad that they got the catering order. And you better have rated that driver 5 stars, I swear to God. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.